Got it. I'm gonna get this. Bro, this place is sick. From outside, it looks like a freaking pharmacy. It's cool. Should I get a drink too? Not bad. Bro, that's crazy. The book. This place is sick. Oh, I gotta stop myself from buying all of this shit and actually. The way that this is just here, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That way it's backwards, or I do this way and it's still backwards. There we go. That's where my neck patch was. Still fucked up. It's a plain shirt, but also I don't know if I need it. First bite. This is it. Give it a bit. How the fuck do we get across? There's gotta be one. Dang, look at that sky. Alright, yeah, there's no way I'm climbing that. I gotta walk around, right? Right. Holy fuck, before I even started, I almost ate fucking shit. No way that there's a way through. You know what? Believe it. You shall. Let's see what. Oh, why did I do this? Why did I do this? Ooh, there it is. I'm stuck. Fuck. It was worth it. I think. This one's digging in. This one's digging in. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. And look, we got these pretty trees. Pretty. And here's our little exit. You know what? I could actually just go around there. No, never mind, I can't. No one gives a fuck if you're flying shit, and if they did, why? Literally why? To see how the fuck I am. Oh, that's pretty. People gotta think I'm fucking cracked up. Now we're here.
Toward Black Rock Turnpike.
I think I got like 5 holes in my pants now. Oh, I could have gone to Subway too. $6 meal a day. Dang, and that's Baja Bliss. Cool. Oh, I gotta get my fucking nails done. I can't right now because I got literal seafood. One of these times. Don't come at me for the literal nacho cheese on my shoes, bro. I can't even answer that right now. Okay, so there's no way around there, so I gotta go around here.
You have arrived.
What? Don't stop. That's the sign I'm taking. Don't stop. So I had to sing with my grandma for the first time. It was so good. Don't worry, guys. I'll be out of here soon. Alright, this is the one I got. This is so good. This is so good. Also, this is where I am at. Very eventful. The reasoning why I didn't go outside was because it was too cold and now I'm in the fucking freezer. Alright, bro. Yeah, sure. Makes sense, Courtney. Makes sense. Make it make sense. Oh, hey, my brother loves these.
I'm talking about the reality TV personality stuff.